Alright, welcome to this platform. Today's video, we're going to solve this question, Math Olympiad. A question which is AB, which equal to 4, BC equal to 50, and CA equal to 60. Then we are supposed to find A plus B plus C equal to what? Okay, now, solution. What we have right here, we are going to name AB equal to equation 1, okay? Whereas here, BC equal to equation 2. Whereas right here, CA equal to equation 3. So what if we take equation 1 times equation 2 times equation 3? We shall get what? To mean that here AB times BC times CA will be equal to A squared times B squared times C squared. Okay? Then by equalizing to their value, A squared times B squared times C squared equal to 40 times 50 times 60. Okay, then A squared times B squared times C squared equal to 120,000. Okay, by finding square root of this one, square root of A squared B squared times C squared equal to square root of 120,000. Okay, to mean that A B C equal to square root of 120,000. Then here inside right here, we're going to use prime factorization of this number inside right here. Okay, we can use it on a side, but for me, I know what to do, because 120,000 can be written as a 64 times 25 times 25 times a 3. Okay, you have to use prime factorization, okay, to get A, B, C equal to square root of 64 equal to A times square root of 25 equal to a 5 times square root of 25 equals to a 5 square root of a 3. Then A, B, C equal to 40 times 5 is equal to 200 square root of a 3, which is A, B, C. Now, what we are going to do, we know that here for first one, if we take A, B, C divided by equation 1, what shall we get? We have A, B, C over equation 1, we have seen that is equal to A, B. By cancelling this one, this, we shall get a C, to mean that C equal to ABC equal to 200 square root of a 3 over equation 1, which is AB equal to a 40, so that C equal to this and this, 20 divided by 4 equal to 5 square root of a 3. Okay, now here Roman 2, if we take ABC over equation 2, we have ABC over equation 2 is equal to BC, this and this, this and this to get A. Okay, so that A equal to, we have 200 square root of a 3 over BC equal to 50. Okay, now right here we shall get this and this, then A equal to 4 square root of 3. Okay, now what we have right here is this one, and here we shall find Roman 3 right here, which is ABC over equation 3 equal to what? Okay, ABC over CA, this and this, this and this, so that this is equal to a B, and B equal to 200 square root of 3 over 60, and this is equal to 10 square root of 3 over 3. Do this one. Okay, by 2 shall get 10 over 3. And then last question is this: A plus B plus C equal to what? Okay, we have seen that A right here is equal to 4 square root of 3 plus a B is 10 square root of 3 over 3 plus C right here is equal to 5 square root of 3. Then final answer can be equal to 37 square root of 3 over 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.